This plasma device must be connected to an argon gas supply. You can purchase argon from your local welding gas supplier. You need argon with a purity of 99.98% or higher. The gas cylinder must be equipped with a pressure regulator. When installing, first screw the gas adapter tightly onto the cylinder. Tighten by hand first, then use a tool to fully secure it. When using the device, open the cylinder valve. It needs to be opened at both sides of valve. And open the soft tube valve about 4 or 5 turns. Turn the gas cylinder valve in the direction of the arrow, opening it approximately 6 to 8 turns. Both switches must be turned on at the same time for the gas to flow. The valve pipe diameter is 10 mm, and the device pipe diameter is 6 mm, so a 10 mm to 6 mm adapter tube is required. Insert the adapter tube directly and push it firmly into place. When removing, press the buckle and pull out. After installation, connect it to the machine. Connect the handpiece cable. Insert each handpiece into its corresponding port. It has 2 handpieces require argon gas and come with 2 additional gas tubes. Connect the handpieces first, then connect the argon tubes. Insert directly to install. Press down connector to release the pipe. The argon cylinder output connects to the right side gas. After all connections are completed, turn on the machine. Let's take a look for the whole machine. On the interface, you can see all functions and all 3 handpieces. It has 3 handpieces totally. Hyperplasma, Derma Plasma handles on the left side need to use the argon gas. Hyperplasma use high-energy cold plasma transdermal delivery, increases permeability, and enhances penetration of actives, EGF, growth factors, HA, into dermis. All the handpieces and screen allow energy adjustment up to level 10. Mode options: M0 dot mode, M1 pulse mode, M2 continuous mode. Continuous mode outputs energy continuously until you press the stop button. Scalp plasma probe also in same handle on the hyperplasma. Its cold plasma ionic field plus micro-ozone on scalp improves perifollicular microenvironment, activates follicles, DP cells, improves perfusion, reduces malassezia and inflammation, and increases PRP serum uptake. Continuous mode output energy all the time. Pulse mode has multiple duration options. The longest pulse produces a longer arc. The shortest pulse flashes briefly and stops. Dot mode outputs once each time you press the button. For the microneedling handpiece, you need remove the cover firstly. It comes with 3 needle types: 1 or 12 pins and 64 pins, rolling needle, and 49-pin stamping needle. They are disposable for different size areas, treatment. It has different depth for the needle, 0.25 meter, 0.5 meter ADN, 0.75 meter depth are more often used. There is a slight tingling sensation. There is a slight tingling sensation. Derma Plasma acts on epidermis, superficial dermis without thermal injury to activate cells, repair barrier, promote circulation, and fibroblast growth. Antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, improves tone texture, enhances product uptake. The Ozone Plasma handpiece does not require argon gas. It has 2 different shapes of working heads. It must contact the skin to start working. Once inserted, press the button to work. The head needs to touch the skin, then the arc will appear after a short moment. After selecting the intensity, press start. When you press the handpiece button, the lightning symbol appears and the device begins working. When touching the skin, you will see a purple light spot with a tingling feeling. You can change to the smaller tip for small areas treatment. There are also 3 modes: dot, ear, pulse, and continuous. The pulse mode time can be adjusted. Continuous mode outputs energy continuously. This metal working head is warm plasma. It comes with many nozzles. You can choose the suitable probe for your application. It can install in the Ozone Plasma handle. After installation on the handpiece, argon is not required. Press the handpiece button to start work. It can treat for eye skin lift and wrinkle removal, stretch mark, and scars removal. We test the energy with the leaf. You see it can burn the leaf. Stop the device completely before changing the head. Because the metal head conducts electricity. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions for using this device, contact Mico on WhatsApp.